Alright guys, this should hopefully be a quick video. Just wanted to open up this little Vinco padlock that Daz Evers sent me. Here's the key. It works very well. I'm not going to use my vise, I'll just open it in my hand. 40 thousandths pry bar from the Longhorn tension set. Peterson hook number 1. One is binding. Just set that. Nothing on 2. 3 is binding. Set 3. I also dropped into a little false set. You can see the core moving like that. Where are we now? Okay. Deeper falset. Okay. I'm getting counter on 2. It's having a hard time setting without oversetting 1. There we go. So, not the trickiest lock in the world. I enjoy it. It's a very fun lock to open either way. So I just wanted to open that for you guys. Remind you about my 100 subscribers giveaway. So far I've had 27 people enter. It's open to anyone, whether you've been subscribed to my channel for a day or 6 months or whatever. Anyone can enter, I'll ship it anywhere. The package has some extra room, so I'm going to throw in some challenge locks and some stock locks. A while back I got a bunch of key and knob cylinders, so I'll throw in some of those as well, so you can make challenge locks or just practice on them or whatever you want. And that's all I have. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. Like what you saw, you're not subscribed already, please subscribe.